Baking soda. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a mild base that reacts with acids, releasing carbon dioxide gas. This makes it perfect for making cakes rise, cleaning surfaces, and neutralizing odors. Whether it's in your fridge or your recipe book, baking soda is a versatile, essential household chemical with countless uses. Vinegar. Vinegar or acetic acid is a kitchen staple that's useful for much more than just salad dressing. It's made mostly of water and acetic acid, giving it a sharp, acidic quality. This acidity makes vinegar great for cleaning dissolving mineral buildup and cutting through grease. Plus, it's a natural deodorizer, perfect for freshening up your home in a simple, chemical-free way. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful disinfectant that's often found in first aid kits. It's a weak acid and strong oxidizer, making it ideal for cleaning wounds and killing germs on surfaces. Beyond its medical uses, it can be used to whiten laundry, clean countertops, and even freshen up your toothbrush. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol, is a potent antiseptic, commonly used to disinfect skin and surfaces. It evaporates quickly, leaving no residue, which makes it perfect for cleaning electronics, mirrors, and stainless steel. Its ability to kill germs makes it an essential household item, especially for first aid and general cleaning. Bleach. Bleach sodium hypochlorite is a powerful cleaner and sanitizer known for its ability to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It's typically used to whiten clothes, sanitize surfaces, and purify water. However, bleach must be used carefully as it can be dangerous when mixed with other chemicals like ammonia, producing toxic gases. Ammonia. Ammonia is a common ingredient in many household cleaners, especially for glass and mirrors. It cleans grime and grease effectively, leaving surfaces very clean and shiny. However, it's crucial to use ammonia in well-ventilated areas and never mix it with bleach to avoid producing toxic vapors. Table salt. Table salt or sodium chloride is more than just a spice. It's a powerful chemical that can be used for cleaning, preserving food, and even as a natural deicer. Salt's abrasive nature makes it great for scrubbing, while its chemical properties help in various household tasks like cleaning ovens or preventing mold. Lemon juice. Lemon juice, also known as citric acid, is a natural cleaner due to its high citric acid content. It's great for removing stains, cutting through grease, and leaving surfaces shiny. Beyond cleaning, lemon juice is also a natural air freshener, giving your home a fresh scent while also tackling tough spots on dishes and countertops. Borax. Borax or sodium borate is a versatile mineral used in laundry, cleaning, and even pest control. It boosts detergent performance, making clothes cleaner and brighter. In the home, borax can be used to clean carpets, remove stains, and even as a pesticide, making it a multi-purpose household chemical. Dish soap. Dish soap is a detergent designed to break down grease and food particles on dishes. It's a soft cleaning agent, meaning it helps water and oil mix, making it easier to clean greasy surfaces. Beyond dishes, it can be used to remove stains from clothes, clean floors, and even wash your car. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is commonly used in cooking to thicken sauces and soups, but it also has unique cleaning properties. It can be used to absorb grease stains, polish silver, and even as a dry shampoo. Its fine texture makes it gentle enough for use on delicate surfaces and fabrics. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, is well known for its use in relaxing baths to alleviate muscle tension. The magnesium in it is thought to help relax muscles and reduce inflammation. Beyond the bath, Epsom salt can also be used in the garden to improve soil quality, as a gentle exfoliant for skincare, and even to clean tough spots like tile and grout, making it a versatile household item. Cream of tartar. Cream of tartar, or potassium bitartrate, is a byproduct of winemaking. It is often used in baking to stabilize egg whites or as a leavening agent. Apart from cooking, it can also be used as an effective household cleaner, especially for removing rust and stains from metal. Additionally, it is a natural remedy for certain ailments, making it a versatile kitchen staple. Olive oil. Olive oil isn't just for cooking, it's also a great cleaner and polisher. It can be used to condition wood furniture, remove sticky residues, and even polish stainless steel. Its natural properties make it safe to use around the house, providing a gentle, eco-friendly alternative to commercial cleaners. Baking powder. Baking powder, the versatile cleaner, is often overshadowed by baking soda, but it's a versatile cleaner in its own right. In the kitchen, it helps baked goods rise by releasing carbon dioxide. But it's also handy for cleaning. Mix it with water to create a mild, abrasive cleaner for scrubbing surfaces without scratching them. Whether in the kitchen or for a quick cleanup, baking powder is a convenient and effective choice.